Good evening, good night, everyone. How are you doing? Good morning. It's out on the street all day, so I'm gonna show you this snow pile. Really and truly, I'm gonna show you how much snow we have on the ground that's just piled up and not melting. Okay, I'm gonna go around. Look at this. Look at this mountain. Look at this mountain of snow. Look at it. Look at it. It's all snow that's not melting. So that takes up half of the parking lot. See? There's nowhere to put this snow. So it's just see, look at the pile over there. That is one pile. Here is another pile. Look at it. This is what we have to deal with. It's all snow piled up. It's hard now. Just showing you what it's like after all these snowstorms that we've been having. Just taking you around to look at it. Look at it. Gonna show it to you. And this is just one plaza that I'm showing you. Look at snow. Look at snow. It's like a mountain. Look at it. And this is in a plaza. Yeah. That's how much snow is piled up after all these snowstorms that we've been having. Yeah. This is one plaza that has all this snow. I'm gonna drive over the other side to show you. Snow. Snow banks. Snow piles. There it is. Look at it. It's a lot of snow. Lots of snow that falls. And there's no way to put all this snow. So just drive with me. I'm heading home. Was out all day, so now I'm heading home. I just wanted you to see all the snow that we have piled up. And in different areas. I have to drive closer so you can see some. Yeah, snow all the way. Just snow, snow, snow on the sidewalk, snow in the plaza. Lots of snow. Piles on piles of snow. But the roads are clean, so that is so good. It's still very good because the sidewalks are clean for people to walk and the roads are clean so we can drive. But beside where the people walk, there's lots of snow piled up.